Replacing a door may seem like a straightforward home improvement task, but it's often more complex than most homeowners anticipate. Whether you're upgrading your front entry door for curb appeal or replacing an aging patio door to improve energy efficiency, avoiding common mistakes can save you time, money, and frustration. Here are some of the biggest pitfalls to steer clear of during door replacement in East Northport, and how to ensure a smooth, professional result. Choosing the wrong door type or material. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is selecting a door that doesn't fit their home's needs or climate. East Northport experiences a mix of coastal humidity, cold winters, and warm summers, so material choice is crucial. Wood doors offer natural beauty but may warp or swell with moisture if not properly sealed. Steel doors provide strength and security but can rust if scratched or exposed to salt air. Fiberglass doors are durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, an excellent all-around choice for Long Island weather. Before committing to a material, consider your home's exposure to sunlight, the local weather conditions, and your maintenance preferences. Incorrect measurements. A door replacement project begins with accurate measurements. Unfortunately, many DIYers assume that all doors are standard sizes, which leads to gaps, drafts, or the door not fitting the frame at all. Measuring the rough opening, including width, height, and depth, is essential. Even a fraction of an inch can make a big difference in installation quality. Professionals in East Northport use precision tools and proven methods to ensure a perfect fit the first time, preventing future air leaks or structural issues. Ignoring energy efficiency. Many homeowners overlook the importance of energy efficiency when replacing a door. A poorly insulated door or improper sealing can lead to heat loss in the winter and higher cooling costs in the summer. Always check for Energy Star rated doors that provide better thermal protection. In addition, make sure the door comes with high-quality weather stripping and insulation around the frame. Investing in energy-efficient materials can significantly lower utility bills and improve comfort year-round. Overlooking the frame and threshold. Replacing only the door slab while ignoring the frame is another common mistake. A weak, warped, or rotting frame can compromise the performance and security of even the best door. Inspect the door jamb, threshold, and sill before installation. If there's any damage or decay, these components should be repaired or replaced to ensure a stable, weather-tight seal. A new frame also helps maintain proper alignment, preventing issues like sticking or uneven gaps. De-installation without proper tools or experience while do-it-yourself projects can be satisfying. Door replacement requires precision and specialized skills. Many homeowners underestimate how challenging it is to align the hinges, level the door, and secure the frame properly. Improper installation can result in drafts, squeaks, or a door that won't close correctly. Hiring a professional door installation expert in East Northport ensures your new door functions perfectly, enhances security, and maintains your home's value. Experienced installers also understand local building codes and can recommend the best door options for your property style and budget. Neglecting aesthetic details. A door is more than just a functional entry, it's an important design element that contributes to your home's curb appeal. Choosing a style or color that clashes with your home's architecture can diminish its overall look. Consider the surrounding trim, hardware finish, and glass panel design. Modern, classic, or rustic, selecting the right door design enhances both the beauty and value of your home. Forgetting about maintenance. Even the best door needs care to stay in top condition. Skipping regular maintenance such as lubricating hinges, cleaning glass panels, or resealing wood can shorten the lifespan of your door. Homeowners in East Northport should inspect exterior doors seasonally for signs of wear or moisture damage, especially after harsh winters or humid summers. Final thoughts. Door replacement in East Northport is an investment that improves comfort, security, and curb appeal. By avoiding these common mistakes, choosing the right materials, ensuring accurate measurements, prioritizing energy efficiency, and relying on professional installation, you can enjoy a durable, beautiful, and long-lasting result. Whether it's your front entry, patio, or interior doors, proper planning and expert craftsmanship will ensure your home remains stylish, secure, and energy efficient for years to come.